Good morning, demo. My name is Nui Singh, the leader of Group 2 in OCC 17. So today we are going to present our demonstration about our online cinema ticket system. And then I will introduce my group mate first. The first one will be Wan Jun, Na Wan Jun. Second one is Lo Xiaoying. Third one is Kak Sui Nian. And then fourth one is Chok Sin Yu. So the demonstration will be divided into two parts, which is the user part and the admin part. So now let us run the program first. Okay. While running and fetching the data from the database, it will show a loading sign, which is this. And then after the fetching is done, it will enter the landing page. And now I will pass the mic to Chok Sin Yu for further explanation about user part.
All right, now here we are in this landing page. And first of all, we'll be able to see the slideshow. Yeah, we'll be able to see the slideshow, which the posters we took it from the GSC official website. And by scrolling down, you'll be able to see the movies that are showing. But this is not all of the movies, and we'll be able to see all the function later. And by scrolling down, there will be posters of food and beverages. And at the bottom of the page, there will be our contact link, which will lead to our Instagram pages. This is one of the example. And by clicking on the now showing, we'll be able to see movies and their show times. So for now, we want to book and we'll be able to see all the informations of the movie. And we click book now to book a movie. But we will not be able to book if we did not log in. So we will require the user to log in order to book a movie. And now we'll go to the login page. And as a new user, we will be required to sign up a new account. And so to create a new account, we'll need to provide information such as email address, password, phone number, and name. And for this email address, if the user entered a wrong format of email address, it will not be able to proceed. And next, for the password field, if the confirmed password is not the same as the password that is entered before, and he will not be able to proceed as well. And an OTP will be sent to the email that is entered just now. The user will have to go to their email and copy the OTP in order to proceed. And now we are logged in. As you can see on the top right corner, our name is entered here. And in order to continue booking our movie, and scroll to the poster that is showing in the now showing section, and you can click book to continue booking. And for movie booking section, now I'll pass it to my teammate Lao Xiaoying to continue.
All right, so now thank you, Siri, and now I'll proceed to the movie booking sessions. So when you enter the movie booking page, you're able to see select the cinema. So we'll select the KL mid value one, and you're able to choose between your classic or premium ticket. So we'll choose the classic one, and this we can select the date, which then you select the time. While selecting a time, you can also see the available seats, the number of available seats right now. And next, So when we will enter the seats select sections, so you need to so before you select, you need to yes, you need to choose like the number of tickets. So all right. Okay, so if you select a single ticket, you're not available to choose to buy the couple seats. And yeah, this error will pop up. So and we add on to two tickets, and we can select the couple seats. So next, before I proceed, to pop up Cinema SOP, which for this panel is the SOP of this rendering. So next, okay. Okay, next we proceed to the food and beverage. Then you can choose the popcorn or anything else. And so we select something you want to buy. And by clicking the icon at the top right corner, the shopping cart, you're able to see the product you select and also the total price that you spend on the food and beverages. So next we check out. And we'll come to the payment. Here you can in the payment this page you're able to see the details like the seats you select and the number of tickets and also the price of tickets and also the price of food and beverages and also the total which include service charge and SST. Then you can select the payment method which you want to select the save card or add a new card. So since you are new account, so we'll add a new card. And we actually implemented the rules algorithm in the validations of this credit or debit card. So okay, so if you didn't click the agree to a terms and conditions, then you will not able to proceed. So you need to select it. And for the save card, it's based on you like you want to save or don't want to save. So okay, then proceed. Okay, so this is the validation of card which is an invalid credit card number. So you need to type the correct one. All right, so this is another error which is the card is expired, the expired day. So you need to type a valid one. All right, then you can pay. Now the transaction is successful. So then you need to check to your Gmail or email that you will receive the e-ticket with the QR code. Yeah, this will be a e-ticket you will receive in your email. All right, so next we'll proceed to the user profile path and I will pass to June.
Okay, so for the user profile part, here we can see all the user details, and then the user are able to change the details directly in the field. Yeah, for example, we change the username and we set a new password. And then we can press confirm. Yeah, so the details has been changed. And then later we'll try it out. And then now we proceed to the bidding part. Here it will show the credit card that has been added just now. And then we will add another card. Then first select the bank and account number. Here it also implements the algorithm as my friend said just now. And then now key in the expiry date and CVV. Yeah. Okay, so we'll try another number. Yeah. Okay, so if you press the minus button, it will remove the credit card from your account. Yeah. And then now we proceed to the account history. Here it will show all the movie that has been booked by the user. And for this case, the user has only booked one ticket. So yeah, and now we back to the home. And we notice that the username has been changed. And that's all for the user part. And now I will pass it to my friend Kak Suinin for the admin part.
So now for the admin part will be distributed into comprised of two parts, which is JSC admin and JSC master. So the main purpose of JSC master is to add another admin into our account. So now we'll log in into JSC master admin first to add an admin account. So to add an admin account, we have to press the edit upload button and then the add admin button. So the requirement is the email of the admin and also the password. So these are set by the master. So the admin will not have the direct access to change their password and then do anything that is not good to our system. So after that, we'll use this account to log in as an admin. So for admin, we will perform some tasks on the movie, which is add and remove. So for add and remove movie, we'll start by browse image to select the poster of the movie. Then the name of the movie. Then the length in hours. Then the release date in the format of year, month, and day. Then the director name, which we can write as Professor Ang. And the class will be Chi Xiang. And the language will type it as English, EN. So we can set the rating and change it whenever you want, when the rating change in IMDb and Rotten Tomato. And now for the hall, we must choose the hall that is empty and not occupied by another movie. So for example, we choose hall 5, which is occupied. Then we choose any time and the synopsis. So before we upload it, we have to edit the seats of the movie first. So we press the movie seats button. So as you can see, the hall is already occupied. So we'll change to another hall which is empty. So for example, hall 7. Then we edit the seats. So we can edit the seats. Oh, sorry, hall 8. So we can edit the seats by adding the row and also column. So as many as you want, of course. Then we can prohibit the seats by pressing the seat into the red seats. So this red seats indicate that the user cannot choose them. And we implement this system so to obey the SOP of COVID-19. Oh, and below there, you can see the total seats available to choose and also the total seats unavailable. So, and we also have the total seats, which is 170, as you can see on the screen. So the total seats now is 112. The unavailable seats are 58. So this, we have to confirm, press the confirm button to confirm the seat changes. So after all the changes and the setting of the movie, we can upload it and it will be shown on the user part. So we just press upload. So after upload, see the by pressing space. And here is the movie we upload. So to delete, we can delete the movie number 7 by pressing the delete button. Then delete capital letter. So it will. So oh yeah, it's deleted. So now We can also change the price of the ticket by pressing the ticket price and change any price as we want. So we have 4 types of ticket. 4 are classic, and the rest is premium. So the classic one, we have student, adult, elderly, and OKU. So we can change it by pressing a number and press enter. After that, finish edit. So now, that's all from the admin movie part. So we'll go to admin food part. So for the admin food part, we can perform operations such as edit and delete and upload movie. So I upload food. So for the upload part, it's just the same thing. So we follow the same flow, upload the picture. So the path will be automatically chosen. So and the category, beverage, food name as cherry juice, and the price will set as 1,000 because it is a rare cherry juice. So it will be our description. Then we upload it. Then we can see the uploaded juice in the last part. So here's the cherry juice. Say hello, and then that's all. We can also edit it by pressing edit. Then we can change the price or anything we want. And after that, we will press change the price. Then press upload, and the change will be updated. So now we have to see whether those changes are applied to user part. So I pass to Lim Sing to explain the part.
Okay, so now we'll be logged into the user account that we have just created just now, which is the FOP Java Alliance gmail.com. The password would be, oh yeah, I forgot that we have changed the password. So sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's click the next page. Yeah, we can see the movie Kan-en is here and the details are all correct. And the info director will be Mr. Ang, Dr. Ang, sorry. And the cast will be Chi Xiang. And now we book the movie, Amit Valley. We go for the premium because I'm rich. And then go for this day. And then, yeah, you see that the seat is already updated to 112. Then we click next. Okay, we can see that all the price are the same, which are already updated. And then we go for 2 seats, and then one for my grandfather, one for my grandmother. And then let's go for next. And then I agree to the terms and conditions. Let us pick some food. Okay, let's go for the new food lah, which is the cherry juice. We have 2, which is Tom's favorite, and the super rare one. I'll go for super rare. There's no reason because I'm rich. And then beverages, yeah, Malaysian drinks. Let's go for 8 because it's near CNY. And then let's check the price. Okay, 13,000 still okay lah. And then let's check out. And then I believe I set the card just now, so I just use it, and then it will auto fill it for me. And then we have to agree to the terms and conditions again, and then pay. Now we just wait. Okay. The status is success. I believe they have sent me an email regarding this issue in my email. Oh yeah. Booking confirmation for Kan-en. Okay. Transaction ID is correct. Time is correct. Name, hall, everything is correct. And then the QR code is also working. If you want to try it out, you can just go to our GitHub and pull and try it for yourself. And then let's go home. Oh yeah, then we have implemented the GUI and also the database. We are using MySQL. And then, okay, this will be all of our movies. And then the temporary database for OTP confirmation. The theaters table for storing the JSON files. Okay. Poster path. This is a table for poster path. And then this will be the table for the user credential. And then, okay, let's say there will be a case where our staff is trying to steal the password from our user by entering the database. If they copy this password, it will not work for them because this password is already encrypted. And if they copy it and paste it into the text field in the login page, it will be encrypted again, which is not same as this one stored here. So it will not work for them. And then this will be our product list. Also have the category. And then these are the receipts. And then I use user credential again. Okay, so this basically wraps up our demonstration about our project. So thank you for attention. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you something. We can download the ticket right in the email. So that's all from us. Thank you for attention. See you later and stay safe.